you struggle with being productive during the winter months? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to talk about organizing projects suitable for winter here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I love wintertime as a time to work on organizing projects. You're staying home or you're tucked away in your office, this is a great time to really look inward and figure out some things that you can do to make your surroundings more peaceful, more functional, and more organized. With the weather outside getting colder, now is the time to stay indoors and tackle some organizing projects. So here in this video, we're going to give you 6 ideas to get started. The first one is that January is the best time to buy discounted holiday cards, wrapping paper, and seasonal decorations. So as you're taking down your current decorations from the holiday season that just ended, at the time of this video. Store items in a labeled airtight bin to make it easy to retrieve them next year. And if you're into color coding, you can always use colors to designate different holidays or different times of the year. Another great project for the winter time is to organize your freezer, especially if you live in a cold climate, because you can take advantage of the really cold weather by stashing your frozen foods out on the back porch while you're cleaning it out. It gives you a little more time to work on organizing your freezer without worrying about things starting to defrost. Another thing to consider during the winter time is that your indoor plants need extra water. If you have a green thumb, I certainly don't, but I'm envious of those of you who do. Remember that running the heat during the winter time is going to dry out your plants faster than usual. So give them a little bit of extra water and a little extra love. A really great project for the winter time is to e-organize. You can go through emails and delete what you don't need, create some subfolders to categorize the messages that you still want or need, like a recipe or a newsletter folder, and save your inbox for items that require an action. Now, you can also take some time this winter to watch some of our other videos. In particular, we have a whole video about organizing your email that you can check out by clicking on the link here. Get caught up on hobby projects before you start any new ones. Winter is a great time to do hobbies like knitting, painting, scrapbooking, reading, and working in the shed if you have proper heat in there. And the last one I'll talk about in this video is to review paperwork in your filing cabinets and shred or recycle any unneeded or outdated material. We have a fabulous video all about the best way to file paperwork. I highly recommend it, and here is the link. So there you go, 6 ideas for working on some organizing projects this winter. I hope you find them helpful. I would love to hear your ideas in the comments below, what you like to work on in the wintertime. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.